Hello everyone. In today's video, I would be showing you how to deposit money in ATM of UK HSBC Bank. It's a very simple and easy process. I will be telling you step by step in complete detail. Let's go into the UK Such as Bank's website. The first thing you need to do is look 18-inch BC ATM using the branch locator on website or mobile app. And then, once you are located, inserted HSBC debit card and enter PIN to begin the transaction process. Select Deposit option from menu and choose Type of Deposit to make. No, choose Cash or Check Deposit and follow the on-screen instructions. Fill in deposit slip details and amount for check deposits method. Insert check into Stidium and confirm details are correct on screen. Make sure your details are correct, because if you want to undo it, there will be a whole loan process. Dig to receive and check the account balance to ensure that your deposit has been successfully made. Check HSBC website for deposit limits and customer service information, which will be available on their website. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money in the atrium of UK HSBC Bank. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this.